Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have an egg sandwich, very simple and tasty. All ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need toast bread, 1 boiled egg, mayonnaise with salt and fresh black pepper. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to crush the egg, and then we are going to add the mayonnaise with salt and fresh black pepper to taste. Mix everything together and just spread the egg and mayonnaise on the toast bread. Guys, you can add a lettuce and tomatoes to refresh this sandwich, but it's optional. And just top it with the other toast and done. Guys, I hope you like it. Please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications when I have a new video for you. Follow me on my social media, give it a thumbs up. And for my dog, I have 1 boiled egg. She's not allergic, so she can eat it. I divide 1 egg in 4 small pieces and I give it to my dog like a snack during the day. She's Candy and she has her own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you next time.